Welcome Cebu Philca Realty, the real estate channel in the Philippines. Please like and subscribe so that you will be updated of the new video. This is a duplex house in Lahug. This is the dining area, the living area. That's how it's looked like from the living going to the kitchen. See, that's the stairs going to the second floor. This is the common toilet and bath on the ground floor. The kitchen. I took a picture from the kitchen going to the dining area. And this is the maid's quarter with own toilet and bath. This is the bedrooms on the ground floor. The stairs going up. This is the other bedroom because it has three bedrooms on the second floor. Master's bedroom has its own toilet and bath and wardrobe. That's the wardrobe. That's the toilet and bath. And this is the common toilet and bath for the two bedrooms. That's the wardrobe for the other bedroom. So those are the bedrooms on the second floor.